Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of Apple devices and uncover some of the best tips and tricks for using them. Whether you're a seasoned Apple user or just starting out, there's always something new to learn. So grab your iPhone, iPad, or MacBook, and let's get started. Let's start with Siri, Apple's virtual assistant. Did you know that Siri can do so much more than just answer your questions? You can ask Siri to set reminders, send text messages, or even make calls for you. Just say, "Hey Siri," and give it a try. Next up, let's talk about the Control Center. Did you know that you can customize this handy feature to include the controls you use most frequently? Simply go to Settings, then Control Center, and tap on Customize Controls. From there, you can add or remove controls to make accessing your favorite features a breeze. Now, let's move on to some keyboard shortcuts. On your iPad or iPhone, you can swipe down on the keyboard to split it, making it easier to type with your thumbs in landscape mode. If you're using a Mac, you can press Command plus Space to open Spotlight, allowing you to quickly search for files, launch apps, or even do calculations. Speaking of typing, did you know that you can use the keyboard trackpad feature to move the cursor on your iPhone? Simply press and hold on the spacebar, and the keys on the keyboard will turn into a trackpad. This makes it much easier to edit text and navigate through your messages or emails. Finally, let's talk about AirDrop. This nifty feature allows you to easily share files, photos, and more between your Apple devices. Simply swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone or iPad to access the Control Center, then tap on AirDrop. From there, you can choose who can see your device and send files to you. It's a super convenient way to quickly transfer files between your devices without the need for any cables. And there you have it, my friends, some handy tips and tricks for using your Apple devices. Whether it's getting the most out of Siri, customizing your Control Center, using keyboard shortcuts, or utilizing AirDrop, these tips will help you unlock the true potential of your Apple devices. So go ahead and give them a try, and let me know in the comments which one you found most helpful. Until next time, stay tech savvy.